This is our new product from MAXVAC. We are going to use this to grind out the mortar on this wall here. I'm really excited to use this. This is our new grinder as well. It's a Makita GA4530R. We use this when we ground out the front of the property, and this little bad boy is a right beast. Combined with the MAXVAC dust extractor, which we have attached to our hose, this is going to make this job a lot more healthier for us, not breathing in the rubbish which comes out of this wall. A lot healthier outside. Dust is going to stay inside of the vacuum. It's going to be a lot less dust, and it's going to be a lot more enjoyable. We want to be putting towards the brush. It's going to get the best benefit from the vacuum. Get cracking on this.